Welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about a software that is way more helpful for the libraries. This can be installed in every library, be it a wholesome library or a school library or a college library. As you can see, I just logged in and this is the software and its name as Vertex. These are the modules present in the library software. First we have resource setup. Under resource setup we have different heads. First we have here shelf master. From here you can create shelves. If you will click on the fill button, the shelves already created will appear on your screen. If you want to add a new shelf, you can click on add. And if you don't want to add it, you can cancel it. And again clicking on fill, the options will appear. If you want to modify any present shelf that has been created, you just have to select the shelf you want to modify, click on modify, and you can change the details accordingly. Likewise here I'm changing number of boxes from 10 to 5. Then you have to click on save. Your data will be saved. Now whenever you select the same shelf, you'll see the number of boxes will be 5. You can exit it from here. Then we have category master. From here you can create the categories of books you have in your library. This will be able to this will help you to be able to classify your books accordingly. You can add, if you click on fill, you can see here are different categories created. If I want to add, I just have to click on add. The cursor will appear on the subject name, category name, and I will enter the category name. If you want, you can add or modify subcategories too. If not, you can deselect the option. I don't want it to add any subcategory. Then you just have to click on save. Your category would be saved. Then if you want to check it, then again click on fill, and here it is, my category is appearing. You can exit it from here. Then we have title master. From here you can set up the title of your books. Here when you click on fill, you'll see all the books with their titles starting from here appearing on the list. Then we have alphabetically all the titles. If you want to modify any title, select the one, click on modify, and you can do the modifications. Here I selected Daughter of the East and I just entered part 2. Then click on save and you are done. Now when you see, it's changed to the modifications I have done. Similarly, if you want to delete any title, click on delete button. Then you can exit it from here. Then we have author master. From here you can create the authors list, those authors whose books are there in your library. Similarly, just like title master, we have the alphabetical orders of author list too. When you click on fill, you'll see A, B, C, D. Here also the 4 options are provided of add, filling, modifying, saving and deleting. And then we have publication. From here you can categorize the publications from where your books are being coming. You can add, fill, modify, save or delete. Then from here you can create your subject setup. You can easily divide your subjects from the alphabetical orders and you can keep a track of all the subject books that you have in your library. Just like other options, you have here also the option of add, fill, modify, save, delete and cancel. I clicked on add to just add a book in the alphabetical order G. Then click on save, then click on yes, the data is saved. Now if you want to modify any data, select the data, click on modify button and then click on save. You can exit this from here. Then we have course setup. Since this particular software is customized for the Saraswati Dental College library, and as per our knowledge, dental colleges have two courses, that is PDS and MDS. Therefore, here only two courses are appearing. Then we have party masters. Hey, from here you can keep a track of all the parties from where your books have been coming. You can create the party list and you can keep a track in the alphabetical orders. That's it. These are the things in the resource setup. Then we have membership. From here you can allot membership to your students, your faculty and your staff. Here's the option to choose from. You can type the department here. Then you can contact address from here. Phone number, mobile number, year, name. The library card number you'll allot to him. You can select the card status from here, that is active or unactive. Select the year from here the student is studying in. Then click on update. Click on yes. Your data will be successfully saved. That means you have allotted a new membership to a student of third year. You can exit it from here. Then we have entry register. From here you can do entries of all the new books that have been added to your book lists. From here you can select the type of the book you have to add. Here is selected reference book. An accretion number has been already automatically appearing, that is 104729. Then you can select the category of the book from here. If there is any subcategory under the main category, the subcategory will appear. You can select the subject from author name, title of the book, year of publication, edition, and the pages, number of pages the book has. You can also select the publication from where it is being published, supplier of the book, shelf number it is in, and all other details can be filled by you. Here you can enter the number of copies you will have, the price of the book, the identification number of the book, then when you click on save, the book has been now added to your list. You can exit it from here. Then we have search register. Okay, so this is the model that will help you to find anything and everything that has been brought in the library or is been in the library from years. In the search engine module, you have this bracket from here. You can select the modes you want to search the book from. Different modes have been provided so that there can be no problem in searching a book. Just for the demo, I'm selecting here accretion number. From here you can select equal to, less than, more than, anything that is suitable to you. Then I'm entering a accretion number, or you can select the accretion number from the selecting feature. Then when we click on search, see the book I just entered in the entry register is now appearing here. You can select this, and when we click on show report, the report about the book, when it came, how it came, what was the price, everything is appearing on this receipt. When we click on back, then we have issue and return. This is the module from where the librarian can keep a track of the books issued and the books returned. You just have to enter the accretion number, and if not, you are not able to remember any accretion number, you can find it from the find button. Here I remembered my book's accretion number, the book I just entered. You just have to enter the accretion number, then click again on enter. The details about the book will be filled. Then here is the detail about the library card number or the student to whom you are issuing the book. You have to enter barcode number. Okay, since I didn't knew any of the library card number, I was just making a guess one. Here it is, S/109 belongs to Shweta Gupta. From here you can know your barcode number. Here's the option of reset issue. I just clicked on issue. Here it is telling we can't issue a reference book. I clicked on OK. Since it's a reference book, it can't be issued. I changed the accretion number, and I also changed the library card number, or I just clicked on enter. Click on yes. Data is saved successfully. That means the book has been issued to Shweta and it's appearing on the screen. Now when you'll enter the same accretion number again, the book you just issued or the accretion number books that have been issued, whenever you enter the accretion number again and click on enter, all the details will automatically appear, and the button that has been written with issue, now it's showing return. You can exit it from here. Then we have query and reports. From here you can, this is the query engine. From here you can see what queries have been coming into the library and about what. From here you can select different modes you want to search the query from. Here I selected author's name, then selected Abbas AK, clicked on search. These are the books that have been appearing, and the query for these books have been came. There are three options to show, and you can see from all these three options. Then we have defaulter list. Then we have delete member. If you want, you can delete any member from here. You just have to select the member type. Here I selected student. You have to select the course, BDS or MDS. I selected BDS. Then if you want to delete multiple members, select multiple members and click on delete. You can exit this from here. Then we have admin module. Under admin module you have these heads. First we have change accretion number. This will help you to change accretion number of any of textbooks. You just have to enter the old accretion number 104729. I entered this. The new accretion number 104729. 36, I did it to 36, then you just have to click on update and you have to select yes, and your accretion number is successfully changed. Then we have data backup and recovery. From here you can take a backup of your data as on date on which you want it. You can restore the data and you can exit it from here. Then we have generate barcode. From here you can generate the barcode for your books. I selected author's name, accretion number, then I typed same accretion number I changed. Added it here. See, the details about the books have been appearing. Select the book, print barcode. I just have to enter the shelf number. I forgot to. Then I again click. See, the barcode has been generated. If you want, you can print the book records too. You can exit it from here. Then we have user manager. So if the administrator want, he can vest in powers to use the software to different users. If you want to create any new user, he just have to click on add new user. Enter the details about him. If you want to delete, select the user and click on delete. The user will be deleted. If you want to change the password, you just have to select the user, click on change password, the password, and enter the new password details. Your password will be changed. And if you want to change the rights, you just have to select the user, click on change rights, and from user right you can change his or her rights. You can exit this from here. Then we have privileges. From here you can decide which user has the privilege to access what modules of the softwares. Since administrator cannot fully give up the powers, if he wants he can fully vest in the powers to operate all the documents in the all the modules of the software, and if he wants he can deselect some modules and give the authority to operate only some modules. Then we have the option of export data. You can export anytime, you can export your data.